I didn't quite make it through high school, so I got a job working 12-hour shifts, getting nowhere, just being a robot. I saw a poster for one of the exhibitions here at Toimairangi. Then I was like, nah, I don't want to work at the mealworks anymore. I decided I would work a whole nother year, pay off everything that I was doing, and then commit myself to art. My mum came to our first end of year exhibition, and she said to me that she was glad that I actually followed my dreams. I'm trying to be independent and find who I am, and I didn't realise that till afterwards. It all kind of just flows out of me without realising that this is actually me.